All right, good morning, guys. It is a Friday, the first Friday in April. The big man and I have successfully completed a move. We are in our new place, and to celebrate, we thought we'd take a nice, easy park walk. Come here, buddy, this way. Come on. So the big man did a great job adapting to his new surroundings. It is multi-level, and he had a little issue going upstairs. In fact, he has yet to come upstairs, but we'll fix that. Hold on, buddy. Let's get away from this guy on his phone. Let's go over here, pal. Come here, pal. This way, this way, this way, this way. So we're at a park right next to a canyon that we've been to several times. We just thought we'd take it easy and reward ourselves with a little park walk after all the hard work we put in yesterday. Let's go see what it looks like over here inside the canyon. And then the big man nibbling on grass. All right, Nibbler, let's go. And since we exerted so much energy yesterday, we thought we'd just relax today. So thank you for coming with us. We appreciate it. It's a beautiful day here in San Diego. It's about 68, 69 degrees, I would say. People are getting ready for the weekend, and the big man and I are taking it slow. Come on, buddy. It did rain overnight, so the ground's a little wet, but although you can hear the cars in the distance, we are still next to a canyon, so plenty of wildlife and birds. Let's cut through this way, buddy. Let's cut through this way. Come on, pal. Come on, let's go. I'm going to do the field a little bit. There's some soccer fields here. Big man used to be a goalkeeper. This way, buddy. This way, buddy. Come on. He wore the number 000 as a goalkeeper, and he had to retire because of a ACL injury he had on 2 ACLs. All right, we'll head back over here. Big man does not want to relive the painful memories of his goalkeeping days. All right, pal. on, big fella. Come on, buddy. Family-friendly park. Love a park on a weekday morning. So does the big man. Tai Chi on the basketball court. Young lady with her son. Big man and a stack of grass. All right, pal. Come on. Come on. If you guys who have pets, especially dogs, know that they are creatures of habit and moving environments can be pretty tough on them. That's why I'm really proud of this guy. He's really handled our move well. This way, buddy. Oh my gosh, it got dramatic over there real quick. Big man, the Tai Chi's loud. So, really proud of this guy for the way he's handled things the last day or so. If anyone has any comments or information about moving with your pet or change of environments, please leave a comment. We appreciate any information or comments that you put out to us. We'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, pal. Let's go, big man. Let's go, lawnmower man. You want to run? You want to run? I do. Let's go. Let's go. You want to run? You want to run? Uh-oh, right. Right to a big thing of grass. Sorry, pal. Come on. All right, guys. Well, we're going to wrap it up here pretty soon. We appreciate you coming along with us. And now that we're moved in, I think things are going to change for us as our new spot is very conducive to peaceful, slow living. So, buddy, you want to say goodbye? Buddy, you want to say goodbye? He's a man of few words.